What's going on, everybody? I'm headed back to Garage Therapy today to talk to Jordan about kind of like a schedule and whatnot, and there'll also be a cool car there that he's going to be doing a little bit of work to, and you'll find out if you just keep on watching this video. So stay tuned to see what car I'm talking about. I think you guys will enjoy it. Just a little hint, it's a newer car. Toyota Supra, that's the car, and he did a brake change and a brake bleed with module fluid, and it was pretty simple. I wanted to get into the talking portion of this, but of course I got sidetracked and it ends up being me just filming the Supra.